Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Bet Plus app. So let's get started. So at here you have to open your Google Play Store. If you don't have, you can open your browser also. And on the Apple user, you have to open your Apple Store. Okay. Then here you have to open it and you have to search for the Bet Plus app. Okay. You directly search for Bet Plus app. So at here I can see the Bet Plus app. Okay, just click on here and here you have to click on the more info and here I can see the app info. So to download and install, just click on the install button from here. Okay, it will show there. If you click on the install and it will install, and if you want to check for the reviews, you can read from the reviews in here, and if you want the app support, you can just click on the app support and you can contact it from here. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.